Hi everybody, it's Sarah here. I'm not feeling the greatest because I caught like a cold or something over the weekend. It started on like Friday, maybe into Saturday evening, and it's been annoying. But I wanted to share with everybody what hand spun I've been managing to spin up and either finish or work on. So first thing, this 2-ply yarn is the remaining fiber that I was trying to spin 3-ply off my spinning wheel before it broke. This was the one with the fall colors I dyed up. This is a merino superwash, and it's super nice. So I really like how it turned out. A lot of like pink and oranges make up like the base color. So it's really cool. And I have some cool yarn that would actually pair pretty well with it. So that's what's going on. And oh, I had some spaghettios. I call it spaghettios earlier, and I just poured some buffalo and some chili powder into that. I'm trying to make my sinuses just, I need this gunk out of here. It needs to go. But this next yarn so far is the yarn spun from the fiber that, hold up, frostbite. This here is this yarn. It's a chunky 2-ply. This fiber came from the commercial yarn, roving yarn, that I took the fiber from and blended. And you can see how awesome this looks. It's super soft. Like you wouldn't even, it's just like the best of both worlds. Like custom hand spun and commercial fiber all at once. Yeah. So it's super sparkly. And I have more of this fiber. This is just a small section of it because I spin it so thick and chunky. So I might spin some more, or I might just like blend together with more like acrylic add-ins. I have some more yarn floating around here. That would look pretty cool. And we can just make whatever art yarn out of commercial stuff. This is gonna be awesome. I was thinking maybe a hat or something, but I also have an idea for a hat with these 2 yarns that I'm going to show. So this, right now, I'm taking the singles that I spun from the rainbow opal Rolex that I blended up that you saw in the video last week, and I am making it into a 2-ply. It's taken a minute because I haven't had a whole lot of energy lately dealing with like being sick. It's so stupid, but so I'm working on that. But this is too big to really work with the ply when I'm spinning in the car, so that's what this final bit of yarn I'm spinning up from the scrap Rolex. These were from my hackle scraps from one of the projects of the dark and bright rovings, and this is the yarn that you might have seen in the community post, and it looks super awesome under black light. This part actually glows a blue. This glows in the dark, so it's like, I love it. This, I haven't quite decided whether I want to do it as a 2-ply after I spin up all the singles from the Rolex, or if I just want to commit to doing a chain ply. A chain ply takes a little bit more effort on a spindle, because what I'll do is usually probably grab like a toilet paper or paper towel roll and make it like a little mini bobbin, and then I can attach it to like a high shelf using my weaving looms warping peg, because it will clamp right on there. and that'll act as a lazy Kate, which I can just then have it above me and make a chain ply with a drop spindle. So that's a really super cool method. I think I might have shown that off maybe once in a previous video, or maybe not. But that is the one way that I can actually do a nice chain ply and have a fairly even tension without getting tangled with a drop spindle. The only downside is I'm kind of stuck in one place while I'm spinning the chain ply. So with all that said, I want to get back to making more crafty stuff, and I do have another blending idea, because if you recall, I had purchased the black and the purple fiber, and there was like pink and that really pretty hunter green Angelina. I want to see if I can recreate or be inspired by some yarn that I made in the past. And I think that would be really cool. So that's an upcoming video I want to do, along with several other ideas. Brain fog's got me not thinking proper right now. But anyway, I want to thank y'all. I see there's so many more subscribers to my channel. I want to welcome y'all. I hope you're enjoying the content, and I hope you'll stick around for a lot more. This is Cash. Say hi, Cash. You don't want to say hi. But anyway, go make something sparkle, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.